Hey, what's up guys? So in this video, we will see the two codes to check if your Samsung Galaxy A07 is original or fake. For the first code, just open the dialer app and from here just dial *#06#. And from here you will find the serial number and the IMEI numbers of your smartphone on the screen. And from here you will be able to compare the IMEI numbers on the screen to the IMEI numbers which are given on your smartphone's box and make sure they are both the same. Now for the second code, just open the dialer app and from here just dial *#8888#*#*. And once you dial this code, you will open the System Diagnostic Center, and this code will only work on original Samsung phones and it does not work on fake phones. And from here you will be able to test the hardware of your Samsung phone. Like you can test the fingerprint sensor, the touch panel, the keypad vibration, the speakers, and all the other hardware of your Samsung phone. And also if you tap on version information, you will find all the information of your Samsung phone on the screen, like the serial number, the software version, and all the other details of your Samsung phone over here. And these are the two codes to check if your Samsung Galaxy A07 is original or fake. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.